chicken and potato salad. Got a few other little bits in there. Add what you like. It's really easy, this one. Not going to keep you long. Let's get on with it. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Okay, let's have a look at what we got here. It's really simple. So I've got some cooked potatoes. Cut them nice and small. Just boil them up, a little bit of salt water. Some leftover chicken that I've got there. Mayonnaise. I've got some green bell peppers, spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call those. Cucumber, 3 eggs and some walnuts. Now you can really muck about with this, can't you? And get some tomatoes in there. Celery, get some chopped parsley and whatever you like really. I'm going to go with this little version today. Salt and pepper, we're done. Okay, mixing bowl, potatoes are in. Just chop my eggs up, I'm going to get them in there. Cucumber, you could use some tomato or something like that if you wanted as well. Got some bell peppers there, nice green peppers. A nice amount of spring onions or green onions, whatever you call them. Got those little bit of walnuts in there. Now chicken, cooked chicken. And then mayo. Now, that's about 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayo. You can really sort of eye it. I don't like my salad covered in mayo like that. I don't want it swimming in there, you know what I mean? Salt, black pepper. And then what we're going to do is I'm just going to give this a little mix and off we go, we're done. And there you go. I just topped that off with a little bit of paprika on the top. Super easy, like I say, muck about of it. Get what you want in, you know, bit of sweet corn, whatever. Up to you. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.